In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to set up the legend based on a field in the attribute table. So generally when you receive a link to a map, it defaults to the legend view. And in this case, it's only showing the snakes by location. In other words, where there's a point on the map representing an observed snake. What we want to do, we want to change this legend so that it shows a particular kind of snake, or you can certainly show more than one snake type. But in this case, we're just going to show one particular kind of snake. So I go to Show Contents of the Map, click on that, and notice it shows all the layers in the map. And the one that I want to change is this snake map, the AGO snake map. And if I go to Change Style and click that, notice again it defaults to Show Location Only. In other words, just a point on the map of the observed snake. If I click the drop-down menu there, I get a list of all the fields in the attribute table. Well, I want to display based on a particular genus type. So I select the genus field, and then I wait for the options to become available. And notice the legend shows all of the different, not all of them, it shows some of the different values in that table. I just want to show the Crotalus. So if I hit Options, you'll notice Crotalus is the first in the list. Well, I want to keep that. It also tells me the count. In other words, there are 3,913 points on the map representing observation of the genus Crotalus. Well, I want to remove everything but Crotalus. So if I go over here to these the little ellipsis, if I grab it and just drag it down, you'll notice you get into an area where the names, the genus, are grayed out. So I'm just going to drop it into that area. So those grayed out ones basically are included in the other. So I go back up, and unfortunately I can only choose one at a time. So if I go down, keep dropping, go back up, and drop, I click, continue to drag and drop. So yeah, there's really no way to change that. Yeah, you don't want to see that. Keep dragging and dropping. It's very cumbersome. Online environment is slightly cumbersome. Again, just continue to drop the ones I don't want to see so that they are included with the other. So I've got a few more to go. I've got one more to go. Let's keep going. And so notice all of the others are grayed out on the map. I don't even want to see those. I just want to see the Crotalus. I don't want any other clutter. So if I just deselect or uncheck the other, they go away on the map as well. Now if I want to change the symbol of the display, I can just click on that, and I can change the shape. So let's say I want a diamond. They have default colors. I can actually, well, yeah, you can't change it. These are predetermined shape. So you can also select what they have, basic. You have some basic values. This is where you can actually change the fill and the outline. But we're just going to stay with that basic shape and the diamond. And then you can change the symbol size. You can actually make it a little bit smaller, and once you hit OK, it'll change the symbol, and you can take a look at it and decide whether or not you want to keep that. So I'm going to go a little bit bigger. So let's go to 7. And there are my points representing my Crotalus. Go ahead and hit OK. And then hit Done. And there's your symbolized map. So of course, you know, this is when you can zoom in. Again, there's no focus zoom tools. If I click on one of the points, it will give me not only all of the fields, but also the values for those fields. Okay, so that's how you change the symbology for the map to a value in the attribute table.